farm truck to turn off. It is on. The engine is on, and I can't turn the key off, but the key will come out, but it's still very much running. This thing is like stuck. What is happening? Does anyone have any expertise? What the heck? On old farm trucks. What even is this? A GMC red something. Or how do I turn the engine off without turning the key off? This doesn't make any sense. This has never happened. All right, I'm gonna have to call in some reinforcements if TikTok can't answer this for me. Dang, dude. Okay, let me know if you know how to fix this. Thanks. Scout, if you get this done, I'm gonna be flabbergasted. It won't turn. It's still on. That's the problem. I know, I was trying that too. Like, push this.
Push stop.
It doesn't make any sense. This is not great.
Oh.
No, if you... I know, I already did that once too. I think we need to turn it back. All right. Okay, my husband said make sure it's in park all the way. Which very well could be the problem because the gear thing is like finicky. Let's hope that's it. Dude, this is weird.